Can cooking oil really be used for hair care?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're tackling a fascinating question. Can cooking oil really be used for hair care? You might be surprised to learn that the answer is a resounding yes. Let's delve into why and how this works.
Why can cooking oil be used for hair care?
Cooking oils, like olive oil, coconut oil, and even avocado oil, have been used for centuries in different cultures for hair care purposes. They are rich in nutrients, vitamins, and fatty acids, which can provide numerous benefits for hair. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants and vitamins A and E, which can help protect the keratin in hair and lock in moisture. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that can penetrate the hair more deeply than regular conditioners, reducing protein loss and boosting shine. Avocado oil contains vitamins A, D, E, and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help improve both scalp and hair health. These oils can moisturize the hair, reduce breakage, promote hair growth, and even help control dandruff.
How can you use cooking oil for hair care?
When using cooking oils for hair care, it's best to use them as a hair mask or hot oil treatment. Here's a simple way to do it. 1. Warm up the oil. You can do this by placing the oil in a heat-safe container, then place that container in a larger bowl of hot water. Never heat the oil directly on a stove or microwave, as it can get too hot and cause burns. 2. Apply the oil to your hair. Using your fingers or a brush, apply the warm oil to your hair. Focus on the ends, which are usually the driest part, and your scalp, especially if you have dandruff or dry skin. 3. Let it sit. Allow the oil to sit in your hair for at least 30 minutes. For more intense conditioning, you can leave it in overnight. Just be sure to cover your hair with a shower cap or towel to avoid staining your bedding. 4. Rinse thoroughly. Use warm water and a gentle shampoo to rinse out the oil. You may need to shampoo twice to fully remove the oil. 5. Style as usual. Once you've rinsed out the oil, you can dry and style your hair as you usually do. So, can cooking oil really be used for hair care? Absolutely. Not only can it provide your hair with nourishment and moisture, but it's also an affordable and natural alternative to many commercial hair products. Give it a try, and your locks might just thank you. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, stay beautiful.